Hi kids. A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Pink, orange, black, red, yellow, light green, light pink, blue, green, brown, violet and sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.